Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. I hope you are liking my videos about Valentine greetings. So here is another one, and just say this is a handmade paper I have taken. I just fold it in a card form, and we need some craft paper. So let's start. I'll just cut this. I want a triangular form. Just roll it. Just apply glue. See, I have stuck this. I'll just trim. I want a very small, this big. I'm having this strip. I'll just roll here. Just apply glue. See, I have cutted here some hearts, and we need to fold this hearts in half in this manner and stick it on this. First I'll apply glue and stick it here. See, I have cutted so many hearts, and the size differs. Some are small, some are big. So just stick in this manner. Just apply glue in the middle and stick it. Stick all the hearts. See, I have stick all the hearts. Let it dry. We'll come to another part. See, I have taken two color papers, the pink and purple, and three sizes of circle. Big, middle one, and this is the small one. Cut it. See, I have cutted these three circles. Now we'll fold the circles into half. Now, this is optional. If you want to decorate it, I will write I everywhere on the circle. See, I have written I, and here it is love, and this is you. Now we'll fold Then we'll make a fan fold. Likewise, to fan fold for this too also. See, I fold all this. Now in the center, we'll fold it in the middle. This way, we'll glue it here. Do it for other two also. See, I have stick this, then open it. It will form a heart shape. Now apply glue. Glue on this side also. Just close it and press it. Let it dry. See, I have written it's magic when I am with you, and this is a magic wand and the hearts come from it. And now when we'll open it, it will look like this. See how beautiful it looks. This way. So here it is. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.